Hey everyone. So in today's video, we have a 2017 Toyota Tacoma. This is a TRD Sport, four-wheel drive. It has 75,000 miles on it, and we have this check engine light that keeps coming and going. Sometimes it goes away and then it just pops right back up again. If we pan over to the OBD scanner, we have 9 codes that are showing up, and they're all pretty much related to the EVAP emission system, and they all kind of mention a leak detection. So we'll just go through all 9 here. And as you can see, they're all related pretty much to the same system. So one of the first things that can cause this is if you don't completely tighten down your gas cap. That's the first thing that I would try. Try that, and then if the code just comes back, then what we're going to try in this video is we are actually going to replace the gas cap completely. So I have a gas cap that I bought from Amazon. I will have a link for this in the description. This is an OEM from Toyota. The part number is right there. And sometimes what can happen is actually this gasket that is on the gas cap, it can go bad, and then there's not a complete seal, so then the codes will get fired. This is actually one of the most common, and it's really the cheapest thing that you can do first. So we're going to try this, and hopefully that will resolve the issue. All right, so we're going to head over to the gas door here. This is really a pretty simple procedure. So we have the brand new gas cap here. And then really to change it out, you just have to pop this little leash off here. There you go. Unscrew it. Place the old one. We'll go ahead and screw the new one on. That feels a lot better. And then we'll just pop this back on there. And that's it. All right, so now that the gas cap has been replaced, we're actually going to go and clear out those codes. Go ahead and start it back up. All right, and the check engine light is not showing anymore. I'm pretty much going to end this video here. Hopefully this will fix the issue, and hopefully this will fix the issue for you. It's really it's an easy and cheap fix, and if it doesn't work, then I'll probably be back with a new video with the next thing that I'm going to try. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. That definitely helps. And if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below, and I'll definitely get back to you. Thank you.